Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a spring inspired rainbow nail art set of nails with some pastel colours. First we're going to use Nude Pink in Shy Time, part of the Nude collection. And we're just going to go over all of the nails with those. Just to give it a nice base coat. Want to make sure you butt it up to the cuticle and not forgetting the side walls and the free edge. We're going to take it all the way down, gap in the free edge. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds for me. So because we're doing a rainbow and we're doing a pastel rainbow, we're going to get a form to use as my palette, and we're going to use Quick Kiss, which is a nice pastel pink, Indian Summer, Lemoncello, Peppermint, Lily of the Nile, and then finally Little Lilac. And we're going to use the Nail Nails 001 brush. So we'll start with Quick Kiss, and that goes at the top of the rainbow, so we'll just make that a nice random pattern. One edge to another. Move on to the next nail. These are really nice and easy patterns that anyone can do. And with this one we'll bring it down slightly so it's in a different placement. Once we've got all the fingers done, pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds. Once that's out, we'll take some of the Indian Summer colour and then we just layer that underneath the pink. Making sure you butt up to the next colour. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight. So we're going for wonky rainbows. Make sure it's on the edge there. if any gets on the skin, just wipe it off. And once that's done, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we go in with a nice bright limoncello. And then once they're done, making sure that we put it up to the next colour, the last colour, in the lamp for 30 seconds please. Then once that's cured, we go back in with peppermint, taking a little bit on our brush and just following that line. Pop that into cure for 30 seconds. Then once they're out, we go in with Lily of the Nile, our lovely blue colour. And we just follow that line back round. Pop that hand in for 30 seconds. Then we go back in with Little Lilac for our final colour. Then once you've done all 5 fingers, pop that back in the lamp for another 30 seconds. Go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Make sure that's all top coated. Make sure you go down the side walls and don't forget to cap the free edge. And because this is a top coat, you need to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay. And then once they're out of the lamp, I'm going to go in with a cuticle oil, pink pineapple, as always. Just run that round to rehydrate them. And there you have it, some adorable spring rainbow nails that don't take a lot of nail art but look really cute. Right, so there we have it, a nice spring rainbow inspired set of nails. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. Give it a like and a share if you wouldn't mind, and don't forget to like the channel.